Hello and welcome. Today you will listen to the story of a beautiful young woman named Emma. Emma is 24 years old and she is a pastry chef. She lives in a small, quiet city and works at a lovely little bakery. In this video, you will follow Emma through her day from morning to night. This is a great way to practice English, improve your listening, and learn real vocabulary. Listen carefully. Repeat the sentences if you want. Let's begin. Hi, my name is Emma. I'm 24 years old. I'm a pastry chef. I love baking cakes, cookies, and cupcakes. Let me show you a day in my life. Every day I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. The sun is just starting to rise. My room is quiet. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. Good morning, I say to myself. It's a new day. I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth slowly. Then I wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up. I look in the mirror and smile. I am ready for the day. I walk to the kitchen. It's small, but very cozy. I make a cup of coffee. I love the smell of fresh coffee in the morning. I toast 2 slices of bread. I put butter and strawberry jam on my toast. I sit at the table and enjoy my breakfast. It's quiet. It's peaceful. I like this moment of the day. After breakfast, I go to my room and choose my clothes. I wear comfortable jeans and a soft blue sweater. Then I get my bag and walk to the bakery. The walk takes about 15 minutes. The streets are calm. I see some people walking their dogs. I see children going to school. I smile and say, "Good morning." When I arrive at the bakery, I greet my coworkers. "Hi, everyone," I say. They smile and say, "Good morning, Emma. We are like a family." I go to the back room and change into my uniform. I wear a white jacket, white pants, and a big white chef hat. Now I feel like a real pastry chef. The bakery smells so good. It smells like sugar, butter, and fresh bread. I wash my hands and get ready to work. I prepare the ingredients: flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and vanilla. I mix them all in a big bowl. I smile because I love this part. Mixing, baking, decorating. This is what I love. I make cookies with chocolate chips. Then I bake a cake with strawberries. I decorate cupcakes with pink and blue icing. They look so pretty. My hands are full of flour and sugar. I laugh. I feel happy. Customers come in. I say, "Hello, how can I help you?" Some people buy coffee. Others buy cupcakes or slices of cake. Children smile when they see the cookies. That makes me smile too. Later, I take a short break. I drink some water and eat a small snack. Then I clean the kitchen. I wipe the tables and wash the bowls. I check the fridge and organize the shelves. Everything must be clean and ready for the next day. At 4 p.m., my shift ends. I say goodbye to my coworkers. "See you tomorrow." I walk home. The sun is still shining. I feel tired, but it's a good kind of tired. When I get home, I take a shower. A warm water helps me relax. I change into comfortable clothes. I sit on the couch with a cup of tea. Sometimes I read a book. Other times I watch a movie on my laptop. At 7 p.m., I eat dinner. Tonight, I eat pasta with vegetables. It's simple but delicious. I like to cook for myself. It's quiet and I enjoy the moment. After dinner, I wash the dishes. Then I light a candle and play soft music. I write in my journal. I write about my day, what I did, what I learned, and what I feel. It helps me relax and think. At 9:30 p.m., I start getting ready for bed. I brush my teeth again and wash my face. I'd put on my pajamas. I turn off the lights in the kitchen and living room. My home feels calm. I lie down in bed and close my eyes. I think about the people I saw today. I remember the cupcakes I decorated. I smile. I say a short prayer and give thanks for the day. I feel happy. I feel peaceful. At 10 p.m., I fall asleep. And tomorrow, I will wake up and do it all again. Thank you for joining me in my day. I hope you enjoyed the story. Keep practicing your English. You're doing great. See you next time. Useful vocabulary from the video. Pastry chef, a person who bakes cakes, cookies, and desserts. Wake up, to stop sleeping. Stretch, to move your body after waking up. Brush teeth, to clean your teeth with a toothbrush. Wash face, to clean your face with water. Toast, slices of bread made hot and crispy. Jam, a sweet spread made from fruit. Walk to work, to go to your job on foot. Coworker, a person who works with you. Uniform, special clothes for a job. Chef hat, a tall white hat worn by chefs. Ingredients, the items used to cook or bake, like flour, sugar, butter. Mix, to combine ingredients together. Bake, to cook something in the oven. Decorate, to make something look nice, like cupcakes. Cupcake, a small cake for one person. Customer, a person who buys something. Clean, to remove dirt and make things tidy. Shower, to wash your body with water. Dinner, the meal you eat in the evening. Relax, to rest and feel calm. Pajamas, clothes you wear to sleep. Journal, a notebook where you write about your day. Fall asleep to start sleeping. Peaceful, calm and quiet. Now, let's practice speaking together. I will say each sentence and then you repeat. Ready? Let's begin. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I make coffee and eat toast with jam. I walk to the bakery. I say hello to my coworkers. I wear my chef uniform and chef hat. I mix the ingredients in a big bowl. I bake cookies and decorate cupcakes. I help customers and clean the kitchen. After work, I go home and relax. I eat dinner and write in my journal. I get ready for bed at 9:30 p.m. I fall asleep at 10 p.m. Great job! Practicing out loud helps you build confidence and improve your English speaking skills. Keep repeating this section every day, and you'll see your progress.